tree.
We gotta come over here for the parrot show too.
Yeah, there's a map over there.
Okay.
Hey. Here we go.
Now on the right-hand side here, you can see some white-bearded wildebeest over by the tree line here. They're also known as new for the new grunting sound that they make, and they're one of the second largest congregating species in the world, aside from us humans. They can congregate in groups of up to 1.5 million for their yearly migration.
Big horns, huh?
We're also passing by some Ankole cattle. They're also known as Watusi cattle for the people who originally domesticated them. And they're one of the only domesticated species out on the entrance to that small cave there.
Hyenas.
African wild dogs. The African wild dog is also known as the painted dog for their unique coat coloration. And they're one of the most effective hunters out here on the savannah. While they may look like domesticated dogs, unlike domestic dogs and wolves, they only have 4 toes on each foot instead of 5.
Yeah, wolf wolf and yeah, I got you. Wolf wolf and the vultures. Yeah, I got you. You want to go sit on my lap?
Oh.
Okay.
Just up ahead on either side of the truck, we're also passing by a lot of termite mounds out this way. Now, termite mounds, they're made of a combination of saliva, dung, and dirt, and they can get as hard as concrete out here. Larger animals, including giraffe and elephant, will use these termite and use them as lookout towers. Now, here on our left, we do have a species of antelope known as the sable antelope. They serve as the symbol of Harambe Reserve, and the horns curving back on their head help protect them against predator attacks from behind. There. Now, they are the largest monkeys in the world, and while they congregate in groups of up to 100, they're actually very shy animals. Well, on our right-hand side is an African elephant across the watering hole. Now, because that African elephant is currently solitary, it's likely a male African elephant. Male African elephants, once they leave female herds around the age of 12.
Look how big he is. Oh.
Now, as we make our way up toward the heart of elephant country up ahead,
Are they playing? Oh, yeah. Oh, they wrestling? Like when you beat up Daddy? Yeah.
now, as well as the elephants there on the left-hand side, coming up on the left, we're also passing by some greater flamingo. Now, the greater flamingo is the lightest species of flamingo, and they get their hydration over time from their diet of mainly brine shrimp. Now, flamingo, they are very resilient birds. Not only can they exist in most temperature and weather climates, but they can drink boiling water, and they can be completely frozen overnight and still wake up fine the next morning. Oryx are normally native to the arid and desert plains of northern Africa. Their white coats help to protect them from the desert sunlight, as well as the fact that the species they're also one of the few big cats to hunt during the day. Now, the tear streak markings that are commonly found under a cheetah's eyes help them hunt during the day by reflecting the sunlight away from their eyes. 20 to 21 hours during the day. The lioness going out to hunt and protect the territory at night, while the male stays behind to protect the cubs. Down along the bottom ridge there. Now, warthogs, however, don't like digging their own burrows. Instead, they'll often reuse the ones dug by other animals. When threatened by predators, they'll back up into their... Now, here at Warden Post 20, which we're passing on our left-hand side, there is a beehive fence right up there in the front lawn that the warden is working on currently. Now, those are often placed around areas where elephants might try and steal crops. There's also a number of Nigerian dwarf goats a bit farther back along the property here. They were brought in to help clear out a lot of the weedy vegetation. Many other grazing species in the area can't push it deep. They also produce a large quantity of nutritious milk, which
otters. You guys, we're on our way into Pandora.
Oh my goodness.
This is seriously probably the best gift somebody can give somebody. A cast member gifted us with entrance today. All I can say is, wow. Yes. Thank you.
Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary.
How long is the wait for River? I'm on my way to Flight of Passage, you guys. It's pretty awesome.
Good morning, everyone. You are listening to the Discovery Island. Drummers, have a great day.
Wow, buddy.
I wish the best came out of this.
It does. I'll show you. Hold on.
No, don't worry about it. Tell me what you want.
Look at him having so much fun. Oh, look at him. Having fun. He's so silly. Oh, look, ducks. Let me show off for them.
Sustainable crop buying products, especially when it comes to palm oil. 99% of our products are in palm oil. And so what you can do is, there's an app called palm oil app. It's free. You download it when you go shopping. know the barcode.
So guys, we are pretty much ready to go home. We're done. We're on our way back to our hotel to get our luggage and then fly home. Super sad, but my overall opinion of Disney World is it was outstanding. We didn't get a chance to go to Hollywood Studios, but we went to the other 3 parks. It was great. I have 0 complaints except, hi honey, hi baby. The only thing I would say that we didn't like was the breakfast at our hotel. The lunch and stuff there is phenomenal, but didn't like the breakfast sandwich and the waffles were super dry. But other than that, everything else was perfect. I'll do a more in-depth review later. As far as rides go, amazing. The only ride that I didn't like versus Disneyland was Pirates. It's a lot shorter, but it was still good. There was, you know, different things. The queue was beautiful, that kind of stuff. But yeah, I can't wait to come back for sure. For sure. So hopefully, our goal is a year from now, because this week is one of our favorite weeks to travel. Because it's right after kids go back to school. But we'll see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we go sooner.